Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. So today I have such an exciting video because I will be doing a FabFitFun unboxing and review for the box of fall. And this is actually my first time ever trying any of these products or just this subscription service, so I'm really excited. I want to give you guys a little review and also let you guys know if it's even worth your money. I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. So really quickly, I do want to disclose that this video is not sponsored, but I am a FabFitFun partner. So this box was gifted to me, but it is not sponsored. I am 100% gonna say whatever I want. This is 100% my opinion. It was just gifted to me and I am partnering up with them in this video, but it's not sponsored and I'm not getting paid for it. Just want to let you guys know. So before we get into the box, I do want to just get into the nitty-gritty and explain to you guys what the service is for those of you that might be a little confused about it or have never heard of it. So FabFitFun is a subscription service with products. You become a member for $49.99 each season, and you'll receive a box filled with 8 to 10 full-size premium products valued at over $200. So each season you can actually choose some of the products and add add-ons, or you can keep them as a surprise, whatever you want. And these products are all within beauty, fitness, wellness, home, and everything in between. So you do get 4 boxes each year. I got the fall one and I'm really excited. Do you guys like my fall vibes? I have little fall leaves behind there. So I guess let's just get into it. Let's go through each product and then we can just talk about it as a whole. So let me get the box. It is a beautiful, huge box. Ah! Guys, this is the box. So obviously I can't like hold this up the whole time, but we can go through each product individually, look at the details. But yeah, this is what it looks like. The box does come with this cute little magazine. So they are featuring Meghan Trainor on the cover, and they do have a little article about her, as well as all the products that are in your box or that you could have gotten in your box, with all the prices and a little bit more of details on them, as well as other little articles. So it also comes with a coupon for a box, but I also have my own coupon. So you can actually use the word strick in all caps for $10 off. The code is not affiliate. I won't be making any money off of it, but I just wanted you guys to have a little money off. And then lastly, for the papers, there is an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. So you can actually get $20 off your first 4 deliveries. So this is already $80. So that's really nice right off the bat. So first we have this, which at first I thought it was candy and I was ready to eat some, but it is not. Do not eat it. So this is the Harper and Ari exfoliating sugar cubes, and it is called the Juice Cleanse. So this says to take a single cube with you in the shower or bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on rough patches. So let's go ahead and smell these. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. Oh my God. This smells exactly like gummies, like very sweet gummies. Oh my God. They literally look like gummies too. It makes me want to eat them. Wow, this smells amazing. Oh my God. Wow. Okay. So we got that. These yummy little cubes are actually worth $16. So next we have something from Aveda, and this is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair, and this protects from heat styling. So this is actually just a leave-in treatment. It says to shake well, work a small amount of product into hands, apply through damp hair, and do not rinse. So that's pretty cool because I actually really do like Aveda products, and it is a leave-in conditioner but also helps with heat styling, so that's really cool. I would still use a heat protectant, but it's kind of cool that you have like double the protection. This smells really good. It smells a little herby. Not herby, maybe like more like essential oils, but this is for your hair. But this is definitely just like a balm. I cannot wait to try these in my hair. So this Aveda product is actually $30. Okay, so next we have this beautiful big guy right here. So this is the Human and Kind Skincare with a Conscious Body Souffle. So it says that this is a 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle that is quickly absorbed into your skin, feeling super moisturized to the touch. So this is almost like, I thought this was like a body wash at first, but no, it says to apply on the skin to soothe and moisturize. It is supposed to be all natural, vegan, and cruelty free. Ooh, this smells kind of like the Aveda product. Just very like essential oil, very like spa. Ooh, I love that. It smells like floral, but not too much, like very relaxing. This feels really, really nice. That is awesome. I've actually never heard of this brand. Something that is cool about like a subscription like this is that you can actually just try out new products that you've never heard the brand of, and then who knows, maybe if you like the product, you'll start purchasing more things from their brand. This little body souffle is worth $18. All right, so next we have this. This is the Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Rolling Ball, and it is for restful and tranquil. So it says, discover the well-being on the go with our best-selling Deep Relax blend. Okay, so I guess it's like essential oils on the go. I feel like this might be really good for like a stressful situation, and I know that in my case that would be on an airplane. So it is a beautiful little glass bottle. Oh wow. Dang, everything here smells like a spa and I'm already getting relaxed. So yeah, it really is just like aromatherapy on the go. This would be really nice to put on maybe before sleep, or like I said, in an airplane, or if you just want to relax and maybe read a good book and smell good. Cute, I like this. I'm actually gonna put this in my purse because I like that. I like that I can have aromatherapy on the go. So the aromatherapy rollerball actually retails for $29. Okay, next we have something that I think that I'm the most like intrigued by. So this is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. And for what I gathered, this is just vitamin C. So I know that a lot of times you can buy products with vitamin C and it's really good to brighten your skin, to brighten dark spots. It's just really, really good for your skin, and I love vitamin C. And the fact that this is like straight up vitamin C powder is really cool. It actually comes in like a little container that looks almost like a little salt shaker. Mix the crystals, a few shakes with any of your favorite products, apply to face. So I find this really, really cool. Like the fact that you can turn any moisturizer or serum or face mist into a vitamin C product, I find that is really cool. Yeah, this is probably like, I know this is gonna sound so weird, but this is probably like one of my favorite products of the box because I'm gonna bring this everywhere, because now you don't have to bring a bunch of different products, especially when you travel. You could just bring this little powder and use it as vitamin C. I think this is genius. I really like this. So these vitamin C crystals retail for $54. And I believe it because it is a lot of vitamin C in there and you can put it in any product. So I love that. Okay, so the next product we have is this. So now we're getting more into the home section. So this is the Harper 2-in-1 grinders. Actually a salt and pepper grinder, but it has both, and I find that very cool. And it has a very sleek look to it. So it doesn't come like with the salt or the pepper, but actually technically you could put whatever other like spices if you wanted to in here if they're good to grind. So I really love this, especially because I don't know, I feel like you don't find a lot of boxes that will give you beauty products as well as like home products, so I find that really awesome. It actually goes with my house perfectly, so I'm like really excited to use this. This grinder is actually worth $21.45. Okay, so we still have 2 more products left, and they're actually my favorite products of the box. So now we have this little charcuterie board, I believe. So this is from the Twine Living Company, and it is gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Very cute, very nice. It has like a very modern but rustic style, and I feel like a lot of people's houses are actually this style right now. I can count so many friends that would love this in their house, as well as myself. This is really cute, maybe for like snacking on some cheese with a glass of wine by yourself or with some girlfriends. So I really like this. This is really cute. So this cheese board retails for $30. I left the best thing for last in my opinion, and it is this. they gave us a whole straightener. So it comes in this beautiful little velvet pouch, and this is from the brand Amika. And I've actually heard of Amika. I've seen a lot of their hair products at the stores that I shop at. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I love the color. I don't think I've ever had like a really fun colored straightener. So this is actually limited edition straightener, and it is called the Strand Perfect Ceramic Styler. So it is 100% solid ceramic. It has far infrared heat for faster results and less damage. It has negative ions to seal the cuticle for frizz-free results. And it does have adjustable temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I actually have a really cheap straightener right now because I didn't want to buy a new straightener, and like the fact that this came in here made me so happy. Like, you guys have no idea. And this, how cute is this pouch? So this straightener actually retails for $80. It is a nice straightener. Like, I cannot believe how much it has added up. Actually, why don't we do it on a calculator and add up how much this box is worth? So I have added all of these products up, and $278.95. And you would get that with $49.99? Is that what it is? $49.99, and if you want to use my coupon STRICK, you get $10 off, so that is $39.99 for over $270 worth of products. So I will be honest, just by looking at the products when I first got them, I was pretty convinced that it would have been worth it, but now that I look at it more in detail and see the retail value, I definitely think it's worth it. I think this is really cool. I've actually never been involved with a subscription service just because, I don't know, I've never done it before, and they reached out to me and I was like, let me give it a shot. And it's kind of cool, especially because, you know, I feel like everybody at this point kind of just gets excited when they get packages in the mail. I feel like this is even more exciting because you don't even know what's in it, but you know it's gonna be a bunch of cool stuff, especially for the season. So I'm actually really impressed. Just to round out the video, I wanted to get more information to you guys. So this ships to United States, Canada, and the UK. Each box raises funds for awareness for non-profits. So they actually have raised hundreds of thousands of dollars for charities, which I think is really cool. Then membership benefits, they do have flash sales each year, and they have top brands up to 70% off. So that's really cool. I will leave all the links down below that you need to get more information, the coupon code, everything that you need. But I will say it does have my stamp of approval. I think it's very cool. I will be down to receive more of these boxes because it was like Christmas. It was like Christmas and fall. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you found it helpful. I know it was different. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I could definitely do more unboxings. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thanks for all your love and support. And thank you FabFitFun for gifting me this box. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.